The Food Service Exchange presents.
This is our barbecue lineup for probably the next 2 or 3 days. We have 5 base models here. We start with a 30-inch, then we go to 36-inch, 48, 60, and 72-inch. And they come in 2 different gases. They come in propane, and then we have natural gas. We're in shipping here this morning, and we ship barbecues all over the world. This one that Chris is working on is going to the Anaheim Convention Center in Anaheim, California. This 60-inch unit here is going to Key West, Florida. And this build-in is going to a dealer in Vancouver, British Columbia. Some of the other great outdoor cooking products we make are outdoor fryers. We have a single pot and a double pot fryer. These are the only approved outdoor fryers in the market today. Another great outdoor piece of equipment that we have are portable sinks. Portable sinks are made out of stainless steel. We do them in 1, 2, and 3 compartments. All our Crown Verity outdoor barbecues, our portable sinks, and our fryers carry CGA and AGA gas approvals, and they're also NSF approved for sanitation.